And the present ages of a man and his son are 47 years and 17 years respectively. The question asked is, in how many years will the man's age be twice that of his son? So let me attempt to answer this question now. Solution to this, I will begin by letting x to be the number of years to come that when the man's age will be twice that of his son. So if I let x to be those years to come, let me get the age of that man after x years. So the man's age after x years, in the question it says 47 is his present age of man and his son. So 47 is for the man and 17 is for the son. So the present age of that man is 47, but after x years the man's will now be 47 plus x. This is now going to be his age after x years. Similarly, the son's age, if the son is 17 years, the present age of the son is 17. So after x years the son is going to be 17 plus x. So I'm going to use this to formulate an equation which says man's age twice that of his son. So twice means 2 times. So forming that equation, I have 47 plus x. This is the left hand side, is the age of the man after x years. Look at it. 47 plus x is the age of the man after x years, and what is in the bracket 17 plus x is the age of the son after x years. So the man's age will now be twice, 2 times the age of the son after that x years. So I continue solving this equation. So I'll expand this bracket. 2 times 17 is 34, 2 times x is 2x. Next is to collect like terms. Collected like terms, x move to this side, 34 move to the other side. So 37 will now be minus, and x after shifting it to the right hand side will also be minus. So 47 minus 34 will give answer 13, and x move there, so 2x minus x will be simply 1x. So age of that, so it is after 13 years because we let x to be those years to come. So with this I have answered this question, because the question says in how many years, meaning years to come, this thing happen. So let us see the mark distribution of this question according to the marking scheme. So the first mark is the method mark for forming this equation correctly. Age of the man twice age of the son after those years to come. So formulating this equation correctly, you have the method 1 mark. Expanding this bracket correctly, you have another accuracy mark, that is A1. Then solving that equation, you have method mark, and for the accuracy of your answer, that is 13 years to come, you have another A1 mark. So in total, this question A to B has 4 marks.